ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis flags $108,000 breakdown can support hold at $105,000. Bitcoin. ChatGPT. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. August 29, 2025. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis has revealed that Bitcoin has fallen to $108,769 with a minus 1.22% decline after breaking below the crucial $110,000 support. At the same time, Bitcoin is trading below all major EMAs, creating a comprehensive bearish structure while testing key support in the $108,500 to $105,000 range. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis synthesizes 24 real-time technical indicators to assess BTC's trajectory as it navigates the potential for an oversold bounce versus a deeper correction acceleration. Technical analysis. Bearish breakdown below all EMA support. Bitcoin's current price of $108,769.65 reflects a 1.22% decline from the opening price of $110,115.36, establishing a volatile trading range between $111,505 high and $108,500.27 low. The 2.8% intraday range indicates strong volatility following the breakdown of the key $110,000 support. The RSI at 34.50 enters oversold territory, providing potential bounce conditions for contrarian positioning despite bearish momentum. Moving averages reveal comprehensive bearish positioning, with Bitcoin trading below all major EMAs. The 20-day at $111,415, plus 2.4%. The 50-day at $112,540, plus 3.4%. The 100-day at $113,908, plus 4.5%. And the 200-day at $114,725, plus 5.2%. Additionally, the MACD displays an extremely bearish structure at minus 199.85, which is well below zero, with the signal line at minus 562.17 and a negative histogram at minus 362.32. Volume analysis shows concerningly low activity at 1.3K BTC. ATR maintains extremely high readings at 115,009.98, indicating strong potential for continued substantial moves based on support test outcomes and institutional positioning. Market context. Institutional distribution creates systematic pressure. Bitcoin's breakdown follows reports of systematic institutional selling, with BlackRock reportedly selling millions of BTC right now. At the same time, exchange manipulation concerns emerge as Binance futures down. BTC went up, Binance futures came back. BTC went down. This systematic pressure creates sustained selling momentum beyond normal market dynamics. The broader institutional context reveals distribution patterns, with major holders reducing their positions as Bitcoin approaches monthly options expiry, totaling $15 billion. Market participants note massive transfers. Millions in BTC flooding into Wintermute, suggesting a coordinated institutional positioning during periods of weakness. The Trump family's involvement in crypto provides mixed signs, with Eric Trump promoting Bitcoin adoption while institutional selling pressure persists. The 2025 trajectory shows vulnerability from July's $115,758 peak to the current $108,000 breakdown, representing a 7% decline from recent highs. Current positioning tests key support levels that historically provided major trend support during previous correction phases. Altcoin treasury rotation pressures Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin's weakness coincides with major institutional capital rotation toward altcoin treasuries, as identified by Noon's CEO Ray Youssef. He observes that major firms and even corporations like Trump Media are now treating blue-chip altcoins such as ETH, SOL, BNB, and CRO as treasury-grade reserve assets. Youssef notes the institutional shift, stating that Bitcoin dominance has declined decisively over the last month and already slipped below 58%, as over 45 altcoins outperformed BTC in the last 90 days. This rotation represents systematic reallocation as billions of dollars are being allocated and reallocated into these treasuries. The altcoin treasury trend particularly benefits Solana, where over $800 million is already parked in corporate SOL treasuries. Youssef suggests that if its trajectory mirrors that of Ethereum's from earlier this year, Solana treasuries could explode into tens of billions. Market fundamentals. Declining metrics amid distribution pressure. Bitcoin maintains a substantial market cap of $2.16 trillion despite a 4.23% decline during institutional distribution phases. The market cap decline is accompanied by increased volume at $69.98 billion, plus 11.9%. Indicating active institutional repositioning during breakdown phases. The 3.3% volume-to-market cap ratio suggests measured trading activity relative to market cap during distribution events. The circulating supply of 19.91 million BTC represents 94.8% of the maximum 21 million supply, with approaching scarcity providing long-term support despite short-term distribution pressures. Market dominance of 56.72%, plus 1.42%, demonstrates Bitcoin's relative strength during crypto market weakness, while the 13.01% distance from the August 14th all-time high of $124,457 represents a strong correction territory requiring support defense for trend continuation. Current pricing maintains extraordinary gains of 222,552,915% from 2010 lows while testing key support levels, validating Bitcoin's long-term trajectory despite institutional distribution pressure affecting short-term positioning and technical structure integrity. Social sentiment. Bearish sentiment amid distribution concerns. Lunar Crush data reveals a decline in social performance, with Bitcoin's alt rank falling to 394 during periods of institutional selling pressure. The Galaxy score of 49, -8, reflects a deteriorating sentiment as participants process the breakdown implications and concerns about manipulation. Engagement metrics show reduced activity, with 79.29 million total engagements, -16.35 m, while mentions increased to 237.82k, plus 85.21k, demonstrating heightened attention during breakdown events. Social dominance of 16.9% maintains visibility, while sentiment registers at 76% positive despite technical deterioration. Major developments include former Coinbase CTO Balaji Srinivasan's commentary, "When Bitcoin wins, it can win very fast," which contrasts with the current weakness. Prominent analysts identify key support testing, with some noting that, if BTC can't hold this level, the next stop is $104,000. In contrast, others maintain that holding and staying bullish is the approach during fear-driven sentiment shifts. creating mixed positioning signs. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis. Critical support defense required. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis reveals that Bitcoin is in a key support testing phase following a breakdown below the $110,000 support. Immediate support emerges at today's low around $108,500, followed by major support in the $105,000 to $108,000 range. Key support exists at $99,268 in the blue zone, while resistance begins at the 20-day EMA, $111,415, requiring a reclaim to invalidate the bearish structure. The technical setup suggests that key support defense is required for trend continuation, with institutional distribution pressure creating systematic selling beyond normal correction dynamics. 3-month Bitcoin price forecast. Support defense scenarios. Oversold bounce recovery, 35% probability. A successful defense of $108,500 support, combined with an oversold RSI bounce, could drive Bitcoin toward $112,000 to $115,000, representing a 3 to 6% upside from current levels. This scenario requires completion of institutional distribution and confirmation of volume. Extended correction, 40% probability. Breaking below the $108,500 support level could trigger selling pressure toward the $105,000 to $99,000 range, representing a 3 to 9% downside. This scenario reflects continued institutional pressure for distribution and manipulation, requiring a major defensive support. Deeper capitulation, 25% probability. Failure to hold $105,000 could trigger capitulation toward $95,000 to $100,000 historical support, representing 12 to 15% downside. Recovery would depend on the completion of institutional distribution and validation of an oversold bounce. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis. Distribution pressure meets oversold conditions. ChatGPT's Bitcoin analysis reveals that Bitcoin is facing a key support test amid institutional distribution pressure and manipulation concerns. The breakdown below $110,000, combined with an oversold RSI, creates conflicting signs that require support defense validation for trend continuation. Next price target, $105,000 to $112,000 within 90 days. The immediate trajectory requires a decisive defense of the $108,500 support to validate oversold bounce potential amid continued distribution pressure. From there, institutional selling completion could propel Bitcoin toward $112,000 resistance, with sustained support holding driving toward $115,000 plus recovery levels. However, failure to hold $108,500 would indicate a deeper correction to $105,000 to $99,000 range, creating an optimal accumulation opportunity before the next institutional wave drives Bitcoin toward new cycle highs above $125,000 as distribution phases complete. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Cardano and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? August 29, 2025. BlackRock offloads millions in BTC after weekly buys, market manipulation, or routine rebalance. Trump to launch $40 billion WLFI token September 1st. Ethereum news. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest buys $15.6 million BMNR bet on Tom Lee's ETH treasury. 2 days ago, by Hassan. Altcoin news. Raoul Pal sees XRP poised for strong uptrend as full porting begins. 2 days ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Press releases. XRP MasterCard officially launched. Gemini supports fine mining XRP contracts. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 1 day ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2nd, 2025, by Ben Beto.